We're with John Kelly. John is a personal injury attorney in Phoenix, Arizona. He's agreed to answer an online question specifically related to if you have a car accident and the other party doesn't have insurance. So John, this question was from Thomas. Thomas says, my car was struck by another vehicle that ran a red light. No one disputes this fact. The problem is the other driver had no insurance. Am I completely out of luck getting compensation for my injuries?
Well, unfortunately, Thomas's situation is all too common, especially in Arizona. Actually, I think there was a study a while back that said 17% of drivers in Arizona don't have insurance. So technically, he still has a claim against that other party that injured him for, a judgment. But usually, if there's no insurance, the person doesn't own a lot of assets that you can pursue. So that highlights the importance of people having underinsured, uninsured motorist coverage in their policy. And most people do have that. In fact, insurance companies are required to offer it and make the people who don't want it to actually write or sign a waiver that says that they don't want it. So uninsured motorist coverage would apply here. He would be able to pursue a claim through his own insurance company saying that the person that hit me doesn't have an insurance. I pay for uninsured motorist coverage every month in my policy, so I can now pursue a claim against my underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. In this circumstance, depending on his injuries, he's going to have policy limits in that coverage. So usually in Arizona, for instance, it's a 1530 policy is the minimum that you can have. And so if you have a 1530, usually you have a 1530 uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage policy too. So if you have a 100, 300, that's what you typically will see on your underinsured motorist coverage. If you have any questions about that, just reach out to an attorney. You can also just print out your declaration page through your insurance company. If you go online, usually you can print that up and kind of see what your coverages are.
Excellent. Well, if you have any other questions for John, just post them in the comments section below, and he's agreed to get back with answers. Thanks, John.
Thank you. Feel free to reach out to me, my office at 602-283-4122.
Thanks, John.